love my brand new phone. Oh no! Attention, employees! Things are getting tough for Case Off Inc. We need to create some new phone cases as quickly as possible. That's why I gathered you here today. Fast Guy and Rap Dog, come on, put your heads together. Got any ideas? Wow, you kidding? Here, check out my new bracelet case. It's perfect for fitness. Glue slap bracelets to a phone case. And put the case onto your wrist. Let's see if it works. Just attach the case to your arm, and you can run as far as you want. Not bad! Great job, Speedy! That's what you call a stylish idea? That's so yesterday! Here's a cool case from Rap Dog. A case to match any mood. Cut circles out of yellow foam paper. Heat the foam paper on an iron to make it 3D. Attach the puffy circles to a phone case. Decorate them with markers to draw emojis. This emoji case will get up in your face. Show any emotion from anger to devotion. Thanks, Rap Dog. That's very unique, but we need something out of this world. A creative explosion! We should make something unusual out of regular materials. Turn on those brains, guys! Oops! What's this? Now there's a puddle of glitter on the case. Trim an empty tube of toothpaste. Clean out the toothpaste from the inside. Mix clear glue with glitter. And pour it into the tube. Cover the cut with parchment paper and seal it with a flat iron. Pour the sparkly glue into a phone case and spread it out with a brush. Whoa! Look! What's this hottie doing in our office? Honey, you have a new phone case for me? You promised! Ooh, what an adorable sparkly case! It's perfect for me! Thanks, baby! Wow! Everything about her is so shiny! We did an amazing job, guys! All our cases are so original, but we forgot about a very important kind of client. Someone who loves candy. We should create a special case for them. Let's be creative. It worked! This is the sweetest M&M's case ever! Cut an empty pack of M&M's to match the size of a phone case and glue it on. Make tiny spheres out of light clay, just like M&M's. Glue the clay candies to the case. Draw the letter M on each candy. Glue the package along the edges of the case. Awesome! I can call all my sweethearts from a sweet phone like this. I'm looking for inspiration. How can I combine my favorite sneakers and my favorite headphones? Give me a sign. Color old Barbie shoes with acrylic paint. Emphasize the details. Cover them with clear nail polish. Put wireless earbuds into the shoes. Ouch! What is that? A sneaker? Where did it come from? And what's this? Another shoe? Go back to where you came from! Whoa! And here's my sign! How didn't I think of this before? Shoes for my earbuds. That's genius! Rosie sees the art in everything, even in completely ordinary situations. Oh my gosh, it's a real Michelangelo fresco! Don't move, I'll be quick. Cover a printed picture with plastic. Trace the drawing with a black fine liner. Put the plastic on a wireless headphone case and transfer the drawing. Let it dry. What is Rosie up to now? Guys, look! I was inspired by this fresco, and I drew it on a headphone case. I hope I can always be surrounded by masterpieces. Great idea, Rosie! We need a break. Look, a video about some funny cats. And a couple bananas. Great combo! But the phone wants to lie down and relax too. Very uncomfortable. What should we do? Knead out some polymer clay. Make a shape like this out of wire. Cover it with the clay. Make a banana peel. Bake it according to the package instructions. Cover the peel with acrylic paint. Add details. Ouch! Who threw that banana peel? To keep that from happening again, take this banana stand for your phone. Phew! Finally! I can watch my cat videos in peace. Ben needs to focus. Hey, girls! Can you quiet down? Why are you acting like children? Fine, I guess I'll have to distract them with a trick. Miss, would you like to see a very real hologram? Draw a template of a pyramid on paper. Cut out 4 pieces like that out of plastic. Tape them together. Make a pyramid and put it on the phone screen. Turn off the light and turn on this very special app. Holy 3D! The pictures look so real! Wow! Excellent! I distracted the girls. Now I need to turn on my USB lime lamp. Trim a ruined USB cable. Expose the end of the wire. Attach a small LED light to it. Cover the end of the wire with electrical tape. Carefully cut out the middle of a lime and insert the light into it. Plug the cord into your computer. This lime lamp lights up every dark room. Thanks, Mother Nature! Rosie is obsessed with keeping things clean. Antiseptics are her best friends. She just wishes she could clean her phone screen somehow, since it's covered in bacteria. Hey, stop torturing yourself! Here's some sanitizer specifically for your phone. Mix water and 10 drops of apple cider vinegar in an empty spray bottle. Add a few drops of vanilla extract to make it smell better. Attach a label to the bottle. It's a safe method to clean your electronics. Now Rosie can relax. No germs anywhere. Thanks for your help. I need to go. But my My portable charger doesn't match my look at all. Maybe I can make a cute little outfit for it too. I had some good material here somewhere. Here it is! Perfect! Cut pieces to fit a portable charger out of fake leather. Hot glue the case together along with a ribbon. Cut out openings with an X-acto knife. Connect the magnetic clasp and put it on the case. There we go! Now my portable charger is dressed too. All my gadgets are as stylish as I am. Oops, I'm running late. Did you like our ideas for phones and other gadgets? Then comment below to tell us which idea you can't wait to try. A lime lamp, a bracelet phone case, or a banana stand for your phone? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss useful new life hacks for all your favorite gadgets from Troom.